Hi plant loving friends, today I'm here to talk to you about making a succulent Christmas tree. You are going to need to gather supplies and do a little bit of work before you get to the actual gluing. So you are going to need a hot glue gun, spray paint, a foam cone, lots of succulent cuttings, low temp hot glue, lots of little notions and bits and bobs to add, pine cones, maybe some ribbon, and moss. Then you're going to need to take your cone and spray paint it and let the spray paint totally dry. When spray painting, make sure your spray nozzle is far enough away from the cone that it's not affecting the styrofoam. If you get too close, the styrofoam can actually become eaten away by the spray paint. You also need to get all of your succulent cuttings gathered. You're going to need a lot for this project. The size of your tree is going to dictate how many succulents you need. I am guessing for this size cone that I'm going to need around 30 to 40 succulent rosettes. That being said, I am using moss and pine cones and little bits and bobs. And so when you're adding things, make sure that you're kind of balancing the way that you're putting them in. So if you have not as many succulent cuttings, put in more moss. If you have more succulent cuttings, less moss. No matter what, it's going to be beautiful. All right, once we have all our supplies, we're ready to get started. So make sure that you are using an ultra low temp hot glue. That is super, super important because it will, one, not injure your succulents, and two, will not melt the styrofoam. When adding your hot glue, you're going to have to glue and then hold when you have a plant. You also want to use moss to support your plants. And once again, this is ultra low temp, so you can put it right on the styrofoam. I like to kind of work my way around from the bottom, adding things sort of in clumps and then moving around concentrically as I go up. There you have it, how to make a succulent Christmas tree that looks great all of December. You can take it apart in January and plant all the cuttings. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about other videos you'd like to see. Have a great holiday.